Hello students. So now let's just start the logistic importance of IoT in logistics. So there are four things which are important to understand when we talk about the logistics. So here we need to transfer some of the things from one place to the another place with using the logistic, and also to maintain the data that what and where it has been moved. So route generation and scheduling is there. So because we have a limited number of trucks and limited number of trains and limited number of ships and all, so we need to manage the all these things with some available data. So here we have route generation and scheduling. So we have to generate our route, and we have to schedule the things accordingly. We need to check the fleet tracking, and we need to check the shipment monitoring, that where it has been arrived and how it is. So now these days you basically find that you can easily monitor your package where it has been reached, and you can check it that when it will reach to you. Remote vehicle diagnostic, so it will also find that whether a vehicle is perfectly working or not. The logistic industry is a key player poised to benefit from the IoT revolution. In logistic, IoT can connect different assets along the supply chain in a meaningful way, and then analyze the data generated from these connections to capture the new insights. The logistic industry was among the first adopters of the IoT technologies in the operations, and from the introduction to the handheld scanners, and that digitize the delivery process to multiple sensors that monitor cargo integrity and deliver trucks performance. Use case: warehousing operation. So in this case, warehouse have always served as a vital hub in the flow of the goods within the supply chain. But in today's economic climate, they also serve as a key source of the competitive advantages of the logistic providers who can deliver fast and cost efficient and increasingly flexible warehousing operations for their customers. Smart inventory management. So smart inventory management is the wireless readers and captures their data, and they provide all this data to the user so that he can manage his logistics accordingly. Damage detection. So there are some advantages which are important according to the IoT. So some damage detection may be over there. So camera attached to the gateway can scan the pallets into from for imperfection. Real time visibility. So if any item has been misplaced, or sensors can alert the warehouse that manager who can track the items exact location for the corrective action. Quality management. Sensors monitors the condition of an item and alert the warehouse manager when temperature or the humidity threshold are also are about to compromised. Optimal assets utilization. By connecting the machinery and the vehicle to the central system, IoT enables a warehouse managers to monitor all the assets in a real time. So smart lift technology is one of the example of it. So in my next lecture I will tell you about the agriculture. Thank you.